guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie and I recently started learning how to bake. And if I can figure out how to bake, I bet you can too. Today we're making vanilla cupcakes with coconut buttercream icing. And if that doesn't sound delicious to you, then I don't know what would. This recipe is very easy and has basic ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen right now. A full list of those ingredients will be in the description box below. And with that, let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F. In the medium bowl, we're going to combine flour, baking powder, and salt, and we're going to mix with a whisk and set aside. In the large bowl, we're going to combine melted butter and sugar and whisk until well incorporated. I'm using a whisk for this, but you can definitely use an electric mixer. A whisk works just fine. Next, add the eggs and keep whisking until well combined. Then add the vanilla extract and milk and keep whisking until everything is nice and smooth and well incorporated. Next, add the dry ingredients and mix just until everything is combined, even if you have lumps in the dough. If you overmix the dough, your cupcakes will be dense, and we want moist and fluffy cupcakes. Go ahead and line a muffin pan with muffin liners and fill each liner about 2/3 full. Bake the cupcakes for about 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cupcakes are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and work on the buttercream. Combine softened butter and powdered sugar and mix with an electric mixer until it's nice and smooth. Next, add the heavy cream, vanilla extract, coconut extract, and salt, and keep mixing at medium to high speed until it's light and creamy. Next, fold in the shredded coconut. I placed the buttercream in the bag because I was hoping to pipe on the icing, but because of the coconut flakes, it wasn't very smooth. Also, if you plan on using the icing right after the cupcakes cool down, don't place it in the fridge because if you do, it's going to harden up and it's going to be so hard to work with. After the cupcakes are done baking, transfer them onto a cooling rack to let them fully cool. Make sure you let the cupcakes fully cool before you start icing. If not, the icing will melt immediately on the cupcakes. To ice the cupcakes, I just put some icing on the cupcakes and use a knife to spread the icing. This is optional, but I topped the icing with some toasted coconut flakes. And there you have it, a very simple and easy vanilla cupcakes with coconut buttercream icing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!